Hey guys, welcome back to Scott's Honest Reviews. So today we are showing you the Arrow T50, the 9/16 inch 14mm staples. So as you guys can see, you can use them with these different staplers, but you can also use them with other ones as well, including the Ryobi stapler and other brands as well. So let's go ahead and show you what you're getting. That way you can take a look at them and make sure it is what you guys need. So, as you can see right here, this is the style, this is the kind. They're a nice looking staple, and they'll do the job very well if this is the kind that you need. So double check with your staple gun. Make sure this is what you need. Hope this video has helped you guys.